Hi all, welcome back to my channel, Allie Loves to Plan. Today I have an unboxing of the February Jane's Agenda subscription box, as well as some awesome goodies that I received from the Coffee Monster Co. So we're going to do an unboxing of our Jane's Agenda and an unboxing of our Happy Mail. So if you'd like to see that, stick around. Okay, we're going to start off with the Jane's Agenda, so I'm going to put these to the side. I subscribed to the Jane's Agenda subscription box from the beginning, so it started 6 months ago. This is their February subscription box. I did go ahead and open up the sticker here so that it would be easier for us to open. The box is absolutely beautiful. It has a hello here. You can recycle the box. I like to keep some of the extra stuff that I'm not using currently in my LV agenda in one of the boxes. They're very sturdy and it's a beautiful box. So let's dig right in. First off, she switched over to bags, and it looks like for this one, she went ahead and put it in some really beautiful wrapping paper. So you can definitely hold on to that, use it. It's not marked up or anything. It's really, really pretty. The colors are beautiful. So I'm actually going to go ahead and set this to the side so that we can dig right in. First thing we have here is this pencil pouch in this nice fluorescent pink. Let's see. This is really nice and roomy. You can definitely fit a pen in here. It fits perfectly with plenty of room left in there. The inside is plastic, so in case a pen breaks, the ink isn't going to spill all over your bag. So that's nice. I actually like this for my carry-on for my makeup goodies, so that'll be really nice. Next, we always get some cards with our subscriptions. So with this one, the card here says, love yourself first and everything else falls into line. You really have to love yourself to get anything done in this world. Lucille Ball. That's really, really nice. I love using these in my planner as deco. On the back, it does have the featured tour card of what's included in this subscription box, but I love using the front part because it's really pretty, so I could use that in the planner. Next, we have this 2x2, which says La Vie en Rose. It's really nice. Look at the art in that. Really, really pretty. And the back is just white. So you can get some of the card holders that are 2x2s, or you can use a regular card holder. And I can show you that in a little bit in the planner and just cut it down to size. And that would look really beautiful. Then we have this, looks like it's a vellum, but it has been laminated, so it's nice and sturdy. Has a beautiful heart here, and it says money loves me. That's really cute. That'll fit nicely in the planner as well. Next, we've gotten these before. They are bookmarked. This one has some really beautiful detailing there. It says daily affirmations, and it goes into the affirmations. I am the creator of my hopes and dreams. Every day I am becoming my best self. I am attracting everything that I desire. I am powerful and capable of achieving great things. I do not worry about things that are out of my control. I have all the tools I need to go forward and live my best life. The art detail is so beautiful. This will look really nice in the planner. And this gives us an idea of the theme. We have the florals. It is for February. You will notice that the stuff included in here isn't necessarily Valentine's Day. So it's very, very functional for your planner. Next, we have this really nice paper clip. We received one of these in one of the subscription boxes before, but it was gold colored. And this one is a nice hot pink. So there we go. I like to use the back of these as well in the planner just as deco because they look really nice. But these, they're really cool. You just slip in here whatever pen you're using and it'll hold it so that you don't have to have the pen loop on the side, you can actually put this in the front of your planner. So that holds it really nicely. So that's in a really nice pink tone color. Next, we have another paper clip. I love these, they're beautiful decos. This one is in the shape of a heart, and it says, February is Heart Disease Awareness Month. Please take care of your ticker. And then it has a beautiful heart design there with different areas of the heart. And the paper clip is in the shape of a heart. So when you clip it on, you will see the heart outline. So that's really nice. I use these in the planner as deco as well to hold my place. This is new. Looks like it's a rose quartz pendant, known for increasing feelings of self-worth, self-esteem, and empathy. So it's in a beautiful rose quartz color. See that? And it's a nice long chain. It's really neat. Now to the planner goodies. So it looks like we have a nice long checklist. I order the A5 size, so this would be for my A5. So on weeks or days where you have additional tasks that you want to do, or maybe you can even use this as a grocery list, you could just jot all that down and that will come in very handy. We have another half size. These are half letter and it starts at 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. So again, you could use this in your planner for days where you have extra busy task or a really busy day and you just want to set down the hourly and just throw that into your planner. They're undated, so you can use this on any particular day of the week. The back has list and additional notes. This will come in really handy. Then we have, what's this? Weekly self-care log. I'm loving the design. This is similar to our page marker here. Very pretty design. It is a little bit different. If you see, it has the florals here. This one had the eyes with the floral and has the month for you to put in whatever month. It says weekly self-care. I love that font. It's so gorgeous and beautiful. On the inside, the first one, it says week of. It's undated, so you could use this anytime. You don't necessarily have to use it every single week. If you miss a week, it's okay because it's undated. Monday, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Be active. There's a heart for heart activity, exercising, anything you want to use that for health-wise, eating tracker, whatever you're doing for that day. Very nice. And second page, Friday through Sunday. Again, the 3 sections. And then you have some healthy habits that you can work on down here. Water intake, for example, could be when you're putting here specific routines that you're doing or working on, and some nice quotes up at the top. There's quite a few of these. Let's see if they're, so there's 3 5 weeks in here, so a total of 15 weeks. So you can actually use this for not just 3 months, but since there's 15 weeks in here, you could use this for 4 months, and the artwork is just gorgeous. I love that. Really, really nice. Those will be fun to incorporate into the planning. And last but not least, I love these. Every month we get some vellum and some dashboards for our planner. Let's take a look. What do we have for this month? Move this to the side. So we have this really pretty, nice, thick vellum that says, hey babe, the sun does not apologize for being too bright, and the rain never says sorry for falling. It's about the balance. Beautiful. That'll look really nice in the planner. And then we have 2 paper dashboards. So this is the front and the back. Or you can flip them around and use the hearts, or you could do 1 and 1, use them as separate divider sections in your planner. So this is it for the Jane's Agenda subscription box. Let's move the box to the side over here. So let's just recap. 2 paper dashboards, one nice thick vellum. Then we have the 3 sets for the 3 months, the today, the nice long list. We have this beautiful bookmark, the nice rose quartz pendant, the paper clip to hold your pen in the front of your planner, this beautiful heart. I love this one. Card, and then 2 cards here plus the pouch. So this is all in the subscription box. I've loved every single subscription box. They've been super functional. I've used them right away in my planner. I will definitely be moving this into the planner as well. Let me show you how I've been using some of these cards. Like I said, even though this is just to hold the paper clip, you can actually use this as a card in the planner, as well as this one that came in the back. You can just cut this down to size and use it as deco in your planner. Let me show you in the LV, which is the current A5 that I use, so that you could see what I'm talking about. So in the front here, these are from Jane's Agenda. You see this is one of the bookmarks, which this is the current one. This one was for the month of December, and I've placed that in here, and I use it in the planner when I need to use it. And then these are some of the cards that came with the planner, and I've just cut them down to size. But this is one of the paper clip ones here in the back, which would be this one here, and I've just cut it down to size here and use it as deco in the back. So for example, we could cut this one down to size for February and fit it in there, and it'll look really nice. And then I have my pen loops here on the side, but if you don't have a pen loop or you want an extra one, you can just clip that on here, and then you could put an additional pen there, or you could put it on the side over here. So that's how you could use some of that throughout your planner. I still have these cards from last time, and then I also have the last vellum and the vellum quote plus the dashboard that came with it. So I will do the switch out and put some of the new stuff closer to February so that I can have that in there as well. That's an idea of how you can use everything that comes with the box, not just the card, but you can also use some of these other things as part of the planner. So that's Jane's Agenda. Now let's move into my order from the TheCoffeeMonsterzCo. I'm going to take it out of its packaging to make it easier for us to go through. Absolutely love TheCoffeeMonsterzCo. All of the stickers. I love using these in my planner for any specific activities or events, putting them within. First thing we see here, we have this really cute card that was added with the order, self-care ideas, and then it has some of the ideas there. I'm going to put that in my planner. You can either punch it out. I have a top loading sleeve and I just like to add those on there. So that's really cute. Here's some freebies that came with the order. That's so cute. The mailman. Those pancakes look delicious. Pre-order, definitely will be using those. Here's another freebie. This one has lunch and then this nice shelf. Love it. So those are the freebies, and this is the actual order. So I'm going to zoom in a little here so that you can see what I actually ordered. So first are these day off pillows. I think these are so cute. Absolutely love them. Next, because I do work at the law firm, I went ahead and ordered these for whenever I have to go to hearings, whenever I have trial. I think these were really cute. These are the law emojis. I did order 2 of those because I use those quite a bit. I ordered these Netflix emojis. Look at the artwork in that. They're just so cute. Then I got some exercise ones. So this is the treadmill emoji. I also got the yoga. I got 2 of the yoga ones. So these are very, very cute. Of course, I had to get some of the budgeting. So I use these on days where I either go take out money or whenever I do the budgeting, I put them in the monthly. These are super cute and I love these. These are the meeting. Look at that. Look at that, so cute. I have meetings quite a bit for work, so I did go ahead and order 2 of these as well. Then we have cart maintenance. These are nice to have. Gas, oil, change a tire, tire rotation. These are package doodles. So when you're waiting on that Happy Mail or when you placed an order, those are really cute. These are some Skype emojis, which I would use for Zoom, as we do Zoom for some of the meetings with the clients. Family eating, so for any time you gather as a family, this one's actually quite perfect. And then some refills, so these are perfect for whenever I have to do the refills. I love the artwork. These look really nice. They're not too big, not too small, so they fit really nicely in the planner. This is all that I ordered. So that is it for this particular unboxing. We did our TheCoffeeMonsterzCo order, and then of course we have all of our goodies from Jane's Agenda. Hope you like this. If you like this video, please go ahead and hit that like button. If you'd like to see more of my videos, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And I will see you all on the next one. Bye!